The Tiger Apprenticeship Program has proven successful for students, program instructors, and employers. Students gain valuable hands-on experience while also being exposed to relevant work environments. This program allows employers to fill employment needs, participate in the students' training, and conduct a trial period for potential full-time employees. Plus, participating companies are reimbursed up to 50% of the apprentice's wages while they're completing their program of study.
Not only did I get invaluable classroom knowledge by going through the electrical technology program, but while I was in school, my instructor told me about the Tiger Apprenticeship Program. He told me that I could get work experience and make money even before I graduate. ACCO actually made me an offer I couldn't pass up and then hired me full-time when I graduated.
As seasoned members of the workforce are retiring, companies need a way to replace them. The Tiger Apprenticeship provides advanced training opportunities to help our students move forward in these high-demand positions. We're partnering with local companies to help them fill their ever-growing needs. We have enrolled over 55 companies in the Tiger Apprenticeship Program. 12 Northeast Career Technical programs have students participating. Over 110 students have benefited from apprenticeships while completing their education at Northeast, and most apprentices have secured full-time employment as a direct result of the work experience they accomplished. Students participating in the Tiger Apprenticeship are earning an average of $14 to $15 per hour. This gives them the opportunity to complete their degree, achieve valuable work experience, and earn a competitive wage.
Students can take what they learn in the classroom and take that to the job, invaluable. What they learn on the job, they bring back to the classroom. The apprenticeship is a wonderful opportunity for students to grow, which is what it's all about.
The Tiger Apprenticeship has been great for our program to show our companies that we are teaching the work ethics of time management and accountability, along with being today's modern technician. We have several students placed every year that have worked into full-time jobs once completed.
The Tiger Apprenticeship is a wonderful program that benefits both the company and the students. It allows students to acclimate to a work environment while completing their education and their training.
What's great about this program is 65% of the students go to work for the company they apprentice with, but 94% find a job in their field of study. Everybody's got skin in the game with the apprenticeship program, the industry, the student, the ones funding it. But they've got a skill they can take with them. If they move from North Mississippi to South Mississippi or they move to Nashville, they've got a skill they can take with them the rest of their life.
Reach out to Northeast Mississippi Community College to see how the Tiger Apprenticeship Program could help you.